Hello and good evening, everybody over at Lazer Home Services. My name is Josh. I want to get this custom video sent over to you guys showing how you guys can get more customers in the door every single month just by changing the way your website is built out and the way you guys do your digital marketing online. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into your website here. You guys have a great website. First of all, your contact pages are really nice. You guys have a promotion going on right now. I really like the layout of this in general. But for the most part, it doesn't have a whole lot of content. Google loves content on your guys' website. You want to have anywhere from 1,500 to 1,000 words of content on your guys' homepage alone. Not to mention all of your service pages as well. You need to have anywhere from 750 to 500, words of content as well. And not just any kinds of content, but keyword-rich content, right? So one way we can find that is actually by going into this paid tool I like to use called Ahrefs. So what we do is we put your URL, we put it in top here. We can actually figure out what you guys are doing right now for backlinks, domains, what keywords you guys are currently targeting, right? And we want to compare and contrast that to some of your top competition. And I must admit, you're one of the first few that I've found in a while that have 10,000 backlinks, and you guys aren't exactly near the top of Google. So what that tells me is that you guys probably have a lot of backlinks. You probably have a lot of spammy backlinks, which are actually losing you guys power. As you can see, a lot of your domains have dropped off as well. All of your rank here on Ahrefs has slowly gone down. So a lot of your guys' backlinks are actually falling off. I'm glad to see that you're adding more, but we always want to be on top of that and make sure that we're adding good quality backlinks. On where you guys want to get your backlinks from is from your competition. And so what we can do is we actually take Mr. Electric. They are the #1 in the central Iowa area as of right now. We can compare all of the numbers, right? Once these keywords load in for me here. But from the number of backlinks, I can tell you guys probably know what kinds of backlinks are, how to get them, how to compare them. So I'm not really going to go into that. I would love to see the keywords and kind of see where you guys are ranking on those keywords and what your positioning is. But obviously, as of right now, my computer does not want to load for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pause this video and we'll return here in a second. Awesome. Now that we've finally loaded this up here, we can see you have 1.2 thousand organic keywords, which is awesome. You guys are targeting a lot of really good keywords. But we're going to go into it and kind of figure out where you guys are ranking and positioning based off of the keywords that you do have. Again, we'll compare it here in a second to Mr. Electric. They are really dominant in your guys' area, so compare and contrast, kind of see where they're doing and how you're doing. But we will get to that in a second. So, Lazer Home Services, Lazer Electric, that's your guys' name, obviously. Your position #1, that's great. Heat pump replacement, you guys are in first position for that. It's 40 search volume, not bad. Plumber, awesome. 500 search volume. Unfortunately, you guys are position #11. You're losing those off. These are all dropping, right? Water softener installation. You guys are doing fairly well on your keywords, just that you really need to start putting links juice into them, and that way they can really start boosting up into page 1. Like this one's got 2,000 search volume into it, right? Ceiling fans installed. You're in the 23rd position for that. You guys are more than capable of being in top 10, without a doubt. You guys know exactly what you're doing. So I'm not even going to go into too much on what you guys should or shouldn't do, because you guys, I can tell, have a good grasp of what you're doing right now, or your marketing team that you have is doing a good job. Just want to start boosting up those numbers and really outranking like crazy. So same things here. I don't know if you guys have any of this 240 volt outlet. I would assume you do as an electric company. I would include this as a keyword, right? It has 6,900 search volume. These guys are in position 3 for it. Electric repairs near me, 3,500 search volume. These are the kinds of keywords that you guys want to have into your website, even though you're already doing really well. But you want to make sure you're getting these high search volume, keywords. We want to have those everywhere. Same thing with the, backlinks. Look at the amount of backlinks that is possible to get in this electrical industry. From, I think you guys had 800 or almost 1,000 organic traffic on your guys' site. Awesome. These guys are doing 69,000 organic traffic roughly onto their website every single month. So just by adding a few key important steps into what you guys are already currently doing, which you guys are doing phenomenal. Content, add more content. Go out and get those really good backlinks. Get the do follow backlinks. Try not to focus on no follow backlinks. And some really high search volume keywords. And you guys will be soaring to the top in no time and getting customers into your quote unquote door or through your website every single month and turning those people into paying customers. So with that being said, everybody over at Lazer Home Services, again, my name is Josh Nelson from Midwest Valley Marketing. We hope this video helps you out and gets you going. Thanks. Have a good day.